Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So today I am going to discuss a lot of things. First we'll discuss the Nifty levels. We'll analyze the Nifty charts, and along with that we'll discuss some important stock market news, which is including the RBI MPC meeting outcome. I will discuss all data and all about the stock market in one video. So, to know the level of the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, stay connected till the end and smash the like button now and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market news and stock in news update. So let's begin with the important news which came in the last week, which came from the MPC meeting, which is the outcome of the MPC meeting. RBI what have decided. So all these we will discuss one by one. First, let me tell you that this was the our Shaktikanta Das last MPC meeting, as he is going to finish term. So this was his last MPC meeting. We will discuss one by one. The data came out from the MPC meeting, and this came in the last week on Friday only. The first data is repo rate. Yes, RBI maintains the repo rate at 6.5%. Okay, and this is for 11th consecutive meeting. Means 11th time they are not changing the rate, and the rate is the same at 6.5%. Okay, so this is actually market, as I already discussed about this, that market is expecting the rate cut, which was already happened in Fed meeting, US Fed meeting. Already they have cut once the rate, but in our market RBI has not cut any rate. Even we were expecting last November meeting, it has not happened. Even this December we were expecting, market was expecting, and this didn't happen, and rate is unchanged by the RBI. So rate is already 6.5%, remains on the same. So as if I will discuss the chart, I will go on chart, then I will discuss that market has not actually gave any negative reaction for this not cutting the rate decision of the RBI. So this was like normal. I guess market was expecting that rate cut is actually will not happen, because November meeting it has not happened. So it is unchanged. Market has not reacted. I don't know why, but it was like sometime it happens. No, continuously negative news is coming in. So at some point, market is start reacting neutral. So this happened last week on Friday. It has not reacted on not cutting the rate. Okay, so the rate is unchanged. Number two is CRR, cash reserve ratio. This is very important. This is positive news for the market, and the RBI has cut the cash reserve ratio CRR rate by 50 bps, means 0.5%. Earlier it was at 4.5%. Now it has become the 4%. Now it has come to the 4%. CRR has RBI has cut the CRR. So this is positive impact on the. This was positive impact on the stock market. So this good news actually gave the market little boost. Some more estimation, RBI has expected the inflation for financial year 25. The RBI hikes inflation target from 4.5% to 4.8%. RBI expecting little higher inflation, and they have increased their target from 4.5% to 4.8%. And this is actually little bit negative, because inflation is continuously is actually increasing. And one, this is CPI inflation I'm talking about, and the GDP growth. Yes, RBI cuts the GDP forecast also for the FY 2025, which is actually to 6.6% from earlier, which was 7.2. Earlier it was estimated at 7.2%. Now they have cut it to the 6.6%. These 3-4 data was very important. First, the rate is unchanged at 6.5%. Second, CRR, RBI has cut the CRR to 4% from 4.5%. And third, CPI inflation forecast is increased, and the GDP forecast, GDP target is decreased. So I will discuss the impact of these news on the Nifty chart in detail. So this was important news you should know. I have discussed in short. Or of course, you should go in detail and read the news. We'll discuss the chart, and I will show you what happened on the last Friday when these data, these outcome has come from the RBI MPC meeting. What and how the market has reacted on that day, you should know. So you should understand these charts so that you can also analyze the chart and read the chart. So see, this is, I have drawn this pattern. Actually Nifty 50 is making this pattern, and this is again a inverse head and shoulder pattern which I can make out. This is actually head, shoulder, and head, shoulder, and left shoulder and right shoulder. And you can see how this breakout happened on this day, which was Thursday of 5th December. So this happened on 5th December, but the MPC meeting outcome has come on this day, which was Friday. So even day before, one day before of this RBI meeting, MPC meeting, market was very good. The movement of in the market was very good. In Nifty 50 was very good. It has actually this day only it has given a breakout from this head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. This broken this neckline and went beyond that and took a resistance here at 24,857. Yes, 857 was the swing high on this day. So intraday high. So this breakout actually done on this day, and now we can say the very strong crucial resistance which was I have given in my last video. Also I'll give the link in this I button. The important resistance was 24,500, means 400 to 500. This from here to 500 here somewhere. It was a very strong resistance zone. Even you can see here 350, 350, 350, 24,350, 24,350. Here it was taking a resistance many time, even 4-5 days, and after that it has broken and went here 400, and one day it has even broken this 4 to 500 resistance on this Thursday. So Thursday, the important resistance has been broken, and the Nifty 50 gave a breakout from this pattern. Now, what can be the resistance? As on Friday, the market has not reacted very negatively about the MPC meeting, and as the rate is unchanged and the GDP target has decreased and the inflation is increased, inflation forecast is increased. So market has not reacted that bad, but yes, one positive news for the market, that CRR has been cut to 4%, means 50 bps. So this market, this has taken very positively, and yes, it was a neutral reaction from the MPC outcome. What may happen for the next week? 2-3 options is there. If Nifty 50 already has given a very good rally from this day, from this so I can say Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday till here it was taking a resistance, but from here it was giving a very good Wednesday. It was giving a very good move, and from here we can say it has this target has this deadline has been broken, or this can be now a good means good support for the Nifty 50. Not very crucial because it can I mean Nifty 50 may break this level. So this is 24,400 again. I will take the 24,400 exactly here, a good support level. I'm talking about this breakout level, not थोड़ा सा इसके नीचे means 24,400 को we can say a good support level for the Nifty 50, and breaking this level, yeah, definitely it will go to this level, which is very important, and which is actually 23,900. 23,900. I don't feel that Nifty 50 should break now till very bad news is not coming. So Nifty 50 has a very good support at 23,900, and if we talk about the resistance, so resistance is means this high level, which is actually if I say exact number, which is 24,857, around 858. So this resistance can be very good resistance for the Nifty 50. Here Nifty 50 may take a resistance and again give some fall, may give a good chance for you all to buy a good stock also. 25,200 after breaking 24,800 is not 850, is not away. So I'm giving 2-3 levels. Please be mindful with these levels: 25,200 level, 24,850 level, and for the support, of course, this 24,400 is very important support, and after breaking this, yes, 23,900 can be a very good support. So Nifty 50 level for the coming weeks can be support 23,900 here, and resistance 24,850, and then 25,200. So let's quickly discuss the Nifty Bank level also. So Nifty Bank, I always keep making this range box. I kept making this range box, which was very important, and I was discussing also, if you remember, that this zone is very important, and Nifty Bank should break this zone, either upper side or lower side. So lower side, it has not been broken by the Nifty Bank, but yes, upper side, it has also it has also broken this. It has also broken this line, this important resistance line, and the Nifty Bank also has given a very good breakout with the confirmation candle also. So in Nifty 50 also there is a breakout, and even Nifty Bank also there is a very clear cut breakout with the confirmation candle. So now even in Nifty Bank is looking much better than Nifty 50, and you can see this can work and this can act as a very good support. This line, which was earlier a very good resistance, which is 52,650 around, I can take, yes, 52,600 can be a very good support. And if it's going up, of course, it is very soon going to touch the all-time high, which is 54,000. If I take a exact number, which is 54,467 around, means 54,000, we can say 500, 54,500 around all-time high, it is going to touch very soon. Nifty Bank, you can see this resistance level, okay, and support, what can be supported? 50 is not sorry And what can be support if Nifty bank is not sustaining above this level, means this line, it is not going up. So Nifty bank, this support can be a first support 52,600, and then if it's breaking this level, it will of course come to uh, fill this gap, which this was a gap up opening on this day, which is actually 25th November. 25th of November, it has given a gap up opening, and it may come, if it's breaking this line 52,600, it may come to fill this gap, which is 51,200 around. So 51,200 can be a very good support and a gap filling level also, but it will come only after breaking this 52,600 level. So please be mindful with all these levels, which is I'm discussing 3-4 levels. Breaking 52,600, it will take to 50 to 51,200 only. This, yes, 51,200. So Nifty bank level for coming week, support can be 51,200, and resistance, of course, all time high, which is 54,006, sorry, 54, resistance, which is all time high 54,467 around. Along with these Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank, these index, some more index also looking very good, like Nifty IT. Even I discussed in my last video also, Nifty IT and Nifty Auto. I have shown the chart also that they are looking very good for coming days, and Nifty IT stock you should definitely keep in your watch list. IT stock is looking very good, and like TCS, Infosys, and lot of mid cap stock also. Even Nifty small cap also looking very good, mid cap also looking very good, and Nifty IT, of course, it is looking very good. So please see the chart of Nifty IT also, and keep the IT stock in your watch list. So this was a short information about the stock market, all the news also, index levels also, analysis also, chart analysis also. What I can discuss short, I have discussed. You can definitely go through all the news in detail also. And of course, I will repeat the levels again. For the Nifty 50, 23,900 is very good support, and the resistance 24,850. After breaking this, 25,200, and Nifty banks immediate support 52,600, and after that, of course, 51,200, and this resistance is of course all time high 54,467. So this was all about the stock market in one video, and please like and share the video for the more reach, and ask your question. If you have any question, DM me or comment me in a comment box, and subscribe the channel for regular update of the index levels and stock news and all about the stock market. Signing off.